Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The IQOO Z9 Turbo Plus was launched. It features a 144Hz AMOLED display, a flagship-grade processor, an IP64 rating, fast charging, and more. Today, I will be doing the unboxing and sharing my first impressions of the IQOO Z9 Turbo Plus. Hey guys, this is Maiky from techmaiky. Please subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing of the IQOO Z9 Turbo Plus. Here's the box, and we'll remove the plastic wrap. Let's set the phone aside for a moment. First, we have an 80-watt power adapter that comes with a Type A output. There's also a high-quality data cable that supports up to 8 amperes of current. Next, we have the user manual and the SIM ejector tool. Lastly, there's a good quality transparent case included. Even if the quality isn't the best, it's transparent, so it might get yellow over time. Let's remove the plastic from the phone and talk about its design and build. Looking at the front, we see a central punch hole for the selfie camera. On the back, the phone is black, but it also comes in white and titanium color options. The camera module looks similar to the IQOO 12 from their flagship series, with the IQOO logo at the bottom. The camera module is large and has 2 camera lenses. On the right side, there's an OIS logo. And outside the camera module, we find a dual-tone LED flash. The phone's back is not purely black. In certain light, you can see a blue color gradient due to the reflection. At the top, there's a secondary noise cancellation mic and an IR blaster. The power button and volume rocker are located on the right side of the phone. At the bottom, you'll find the speaker grill, a Type-C port, the primary microphone, and the SIM tray. One thing to note is that there are no antenna bands visible on the phone's frame, which means the frame is made of plastic. In fact, the back of the phone is also made of plastic. The back of the phone is slightly curved, giving it a good feel in hand. The screen, however, is flat. The phone weighs about 198.3 grams, which is surprising because it has a huge battery. The battery is made using ultra-thin blue ocean technology and has a capacity of 6,400 milliamp hours. This means you can game on this phone for a long time without worrying about the battery running out. For biometric security, there's an under-display fingerprint sensor, but its placement is a bit lower on the screen. Let's turn on the phone. You'll see a lot of third-party apps, but that's not a problem. You can delete them if you want. The phone has a high screen-to-body ratio with slim side bezels, although the bottom chin is slightly thicker. Inside, it features a Dimensity 9300 Plus flagship processor, along with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The highest variant comes with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Additionally, the phone has a self-developed Q1 chip, and for the screen, C8 light-emitting material has been used. The phone has a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2800 by 1260 pixels and a fast refresh rate of 144 Hz. However, it doesn't support LTPO technology, which would have reduced power consumption. You can set the refresh rate to auto or 60 Hz to save battery. You can also adjust the color temperature from the settings. This display is eye-friendly because it features a high PWM dimming of 3840 Hz. However, to enable this high frequency, you need to turn on the developer options. This time, the phone has a dual-band GPS system, which is a great feature. Now, let's talk about the camera on the IQOO Z9 Turbo Plus. It has a rear-facing dual-camera setup. The main camera is 50 megapixels and comes with optical image stabilization. The secondary camera is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Additionally, it supports 20x digital zoom, and you can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second with the main camera. There's also video stabilization support for 4K recording. However, with the super stabilization function, you can only record full HD videos. You can see the Antutu score here, which is over 2.21 million, indicating great performance for the phone. When playing King of Glory at the highest setting of 120 FPS, the average frame rate reaches 121.1 FPS. And the frame rate remains stable. The phone also has good temperature control. The back temperature can go up to 35.6 degrees, while the front temperature can reach 36.1 degrees. Now, let's look at the heavy game test. When playing Genshin Impact at the highest setting of 60 FPS for 30 minutes, the average frame rate is 59.6 FPS, which is very good. You can also see the graph showing that there are no drop issues. However, the temperature does get a bit high while playing this game. The front temperature can reach 42.3 degrees, and the back temperature can also go up to 42.3 degrees. The power consumption during gameplay is around 5 watts. The performance of this phone is next level because it has a flagship processor and a self-developed Q1 gaming chip. You can play Genshin Impact at a high resolution of 1.5K, and the frame rate can go up to 72 FPS. Here you can see a comparison between 900p and 1.5K resolution images. Additionally, the phone has a huge 6400 mAh Blue Ocean battery. In the battery endurance test, even after the test, 71% of the battery remains. The phone also supports 80 watts of charging, and it takes about 52 minutes to charge the battery from 1% to 100%. However, the maximum power output during charging is only 66 watts. The price of this flagship processor phone starts at 299 Chinese yuan in China. In the UK, it costs about £244, and in the USA, it's around $327. In conclusion, this phone offers outstanding gaming performance, and the battery is superb, as shown in the endurance test. The display is also good for this price range. However, if you're more focused on the camera, keep in mind that it's average. It's fine for day-to-day use, but you won't get extraordinary photos. I will be uploading a detailed review of this phone soon, where we will also look at camera samples, so stay connected with our channel. So friends, what do you think about the IQOO Z9 Turbo Plus? Which feature do you like the most, and what price do you think it should launch at in the UK? Please let me know in the comments section. I'll see you with the next latest tech updates. Until then, thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.